Welcome to Appetite for Cooking. On today's episode, we make Jamaican cornmeal porridge, a favorite of ours, and we're going to share it with you today. Let's get started. The ingredients are water, cornmeal, condensed milk, nutmeg, vanilla, coconut cream, and cinnamon stick. We're now adding water to the pot. And now we're going to add the cornmeal, slowly adding it. And your coconut cream. And you have to be careful when you get cornmeal to make sure that it's a finely grated cornmeal, because that is the consistency that you're trying to achieve. It's a nice, smooth texture. Okay, so you'll need to just keep stirring this to make sure no lumps are forming. And if you want to maintain a nice, smooth, not too thick texture, you will add more water to your porridge. And Mom, how long does this usually take to boil?
An hour.
About an hour.
Yes.
I think I turn up the temperature. Don't you think I need to turn the temperature up, Mom?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay, let me turn that up. Keep in mind, each person's stove setting will be different. If you're dealing with a gas stove, we're working on an electric stove. So I'm just being a little bit tentative to make sure that this doesn't cook too fast and thicken up too fast. So keep stirring and stirring until you're getting that consistency that you want, that it's not too watery but not too thick, that it's very lumpy. Okay, Mom, so I think we're at the point in which we need to add the cinnamon stick, right?
Yes.
And why do we add a cinnamon stick at this point?
It gives you a different flavor of the porridge.
Okay. So we're just going to cook this down with the cinnamon stick?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, keep stirring, and we're going to have this simmer a little, thicken up a little bit more, and we'll check back on it. Okay, let's check on this and see how it's doing. We've turned it down to low, and we've had a lid on it, watching it simmer and thicken up, and it's starting to thicken up, and it looks good. No lumps. That's what you're aiming for. So we are going to let this cook down even further, get a little bit more thick, and then we'll be ready to take it off the stove and serve it. Okay, let's check on this to see how it's doing. It's been sitting with this lid on it at a low setting. Feels good. It's still turning. It's not lumpy. Very good consistency. Very good. We're going to continue to let it simmer for a little bit longer, probably about 15 more minutes, and we will check back and see how it's doing. Okay, this has been cooking for quite a while. Let's see how it looks. How's it looking, Mom?
Looks good. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Not too thin, just right.
Just right? Okay. Okay, this is the consistency which we're at the point to add the condensed milk. Give it that nice creamy and sweetened texture. This smells so lovely with the cinnamon sticks. And you also smell a hint of that coconut milk too. We'll add some vanilla. Oh, that's so nice the way it smells. And finally, to top it off, some nutmeg. Now, those are the smells of my childhood. This is lovely. Wonderful. See how nice that texture is? No lumps. That is what you are trying to achieve when making your cornmeal porridge. So I think that we've got it, and I think this is ready to be served.
Yeah. That's right.
Just right. Okay.
Okay, what you're seeing here is the bowl of porridge that we just took off the stove, and we wanted to taste it for the first time for our audience. So we are going to now try it, and we'll let you know what we think.
See how nice and smooth it is? That's what you want with your porridge. Definitely. Okay, Mom, let's dive in and see.
This is like Christmas, home, Jamaica, all in one from my memories. It's just wonderful. It's just wonderful.
Oh gosh.
So,
one
Mom,
thing that missing
what's wrong?
is my water crackers. I miss it.
Okay, Mom. I guess I gotta look into getting those Excelsior crackers for you.
Yes. I love it.
But did we get all the ingredients? Is the
Everything.
consistency, the texture that you usually?
Everything is in it.
We got it.
You got it.
Okay. All right. So it's a success. So join us again on another episode of Appetite for Cooking, and we'll see you on the next episode.